In our earlier session, we discussed about our Sales Cloud. Now in this session, we're gonna see about our Service Cloud. So as I said earlier, Salesforce defaultly providing Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Commerce Cloud. So these clouds we can see them as apps. You can see them as apps: Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud, Sales Cloud. So now we are going to see the Service Cloud. So Salesforce Service Cloud is used to manage, track and resolve customer service issues known as cases with details stored in a special case object. Your team can create cases manually or accept them from web forms or emails. You can also define assignment rules to assign cases to teams or individuals using predefined criteria.